Hi, KYCS Ali here. This is a video for our lens replacement service. I'm going to show you what we do and what is covered by the service. So this here is the headlight assembly. As you can see, all the internal components are untouched. Just the lens is damaged on this outer corner. So this headlight is suitable for a lens replacement. This is the headlight here with the lens removed. And this lens is what will be replaced with a new lens, which either we or you can supply. All the remaining internal components will be left untouched and just the lens will be replaced. Here are two headlights which aren't suitable for a standard lens replacement due to extra work that will need to be carried out by us. So this headlight has some scuffs and damage to the internal chrome. These can't be touched up and will remain on the chrome after it's resealed. There's also a crack on the top of the casing. Same with this one, there's a large hole in the casing and a crack extending all the way to the back. Any damage to the headlights we will need to be made aware of beforehand, as it will increase the labour required to complete the headlight. And with any damage found on the headlight, we will only be able to continue with the job if it is repaired by us.